It's out here. It's fair game.
Yep.
Hey, Dad, you hold my wine while I take pictures. I want to sit on the table. Put them in your basket.
You ever take your class?
You get a cup.
Take it.
Oh, yeah, Sammy's
It's
like
worse.
eggs. You don't want that stuff.
I think they classed it. She's
It's
like,
confusing stuff.
that's what she was saying.
It's
She was
very
like, I'm more
confusing.
confused now. She was taking worse
Yeah.
pictures.
Aperture and all that stuff. Like,
Here, Ella,
Again?
share that basket. I did that yesterday.
oh, yeah, it is very confusing.
You picked up everything but the egg.
I got this. I can take still pictures. Doesn't take as good as that.
It takes on an element.
There.
Ella, what'd you find?
Oh, there's another.
Well, Lena's got the video. You do the pictures.
Yeah.
And then we can
She left
exchange.
one?
Huh?
She left one?
Yeah.
Ella found an egg.
Samuel's bucket. It's sunny.
Oh, I'm fine.
He took the chocolate out of it.
Just walk around. Yeah.
Now it must roll. Ella, look under here.
Samuel's throwing the eggs.
Hey,
Hey, go look on the couch. Hey, Samuel, look on the couch.
look, Samuel.
Hey, everybody look here.
Hey, Samuel, Ella.
Everybody look here and
Hey,
smile.
Ella.
Ella, turn around.
Ella, Samuel. I got candy.
Chocolate.
Hey.
Samuel, you have the chocolate.
Jaden, you've got to look too, babe.
Jujube.
Cheese.
Smile, Ella.
Who wants a paintbrush? Look at the paintbrush.